Welcome to the Essential Camera Cube installation video. If you've received a PRVKE backpack and need to install an Essential Cube, you're in the right place. Start by opening the cube's main compartment and folding the door back. Then open the camera cube's side access door. This will make installing the cube much easier in the future. Next, open the PRVKE's clamshell and its side access door, just like you did with the cube. To prepare the bag, detach the lay-flat shelf's velcro from the bottom and move it to a vertical position. Line it up with the soft velcro strips on the sides and press it in place. Repeat on the other side. Close the upper zippers and attach the upper material to the shelf to finish dividing the roll top space. Now slide the cube into the bag. It should fit snugly. If not, you may have the wrong size. Secure the cube starting at the bottom. Unhook the Velcro tab marked S, M, or L. Thread it through the D-ring at the base of the bag and reattach it. Next, line up the cube's side door to the bag's side door and secure it in place using the Velcro built into the bag's side pocket. Then secure the loose zipper by wrapping the built-in Velcro collar around it to keep it out of the way. This will make it much easier to use the side access, keeping everything up and out of the way. Lastly, if you have the PRVKE V4, use the 2 additional Velcro stays along the left and right side of your bag to fully lock down your cube. Just wrap them over the cube edge to keep everything secure and in place. That's it. Your WANDRD Essential Camera Cube is installed and ready for your next adventure.